So this event took place in 1969 in England. Shortly after the Hare Krishna mantra recording became somewhat famous. It was in the top 20 in the British charts. I think it got as high as number 11. And a number of agents, theatrical agents, came forward and asked us to take part in the venues that they would have, and we would get paid for each time we performed. So we thought it was a good idea because we needed the money to maintain the temple at Berry Place. So one of the venues was called the Marquee Club. The Marquee Club is located on Wardour Street. Wardour Street is in the heart of the Soho district. It's not a very popular part of town. In fact, it's many people call it the red light district. So our contract was to perform for 2 hours. And we only knew one song, so we didn't know what exactly to do. But what we did was we did a bit of dancing in a circle, and then one of the devotees had a light show. So somehow or other, we used up the whole 2 hours, and it was a way of entertaining the people who were mostly drunkards or high on something in that Marquee Club. The Marquee Club was kind of a famous place in Soho Street. I think the Rolling Stones' first concert in public was in that club. So that was a very difficult thing, and it was part of one of the venues that they were nightclubs, they were concert halls, they were all different kinds of things. There were many engagements in other countries even. But anyways, that was the way we maintained ourselves for almost 1 year. Hare Krishna.